Hello, interns and experiential learners. Hope that you're doing really well. This is a quick video on applying experiential learning theory and providing you some specific examples related to the 4 stages. So let's go ahead and get to it. So the first stage is having the experience. So these are going to be things like I observed a therapy session, I planned a fundraising event, I learned a new programming language, I observed and recorded a child's play behavior. And then we move on to the second stage. So using those same experiences, now reflecting upon those experiences. So sharing a little bit about the impact the experience had on you, maybe from a thinking and feeling perspective. I was enlightened, I was excited, I wasn't aware, and it's been very rewarding. So those are kind of the key elements that you see in terms of the reflections. So examining the experiences, thinking about it, the emotions tied to the experiences. And then we have the abstract conceptualization phase, which is essentially the learning. So what did you learn from observing that activity or actually directly experiencing it? So clearly communicating the takeaways that the experience had for you, the learning outcomes, if you will, of the experience. And finally, active experimentation. So this is where we're going to now apply what we've learned from the experience, from the concrete experience, and reflecting on it, apply that learning from the abstract conceptualization phase. So you see here a student sharing how they were then able to utilize some of what they learned in their internship and apply it to a specific course. Here's a student taking it to the next level, taking initiative to see if they could take on maybe a role of greater breadth and depth with the next fundraiser. We have here now a student saying, hey, I've got one certification. What are some additional certifications I can get? And finally, here we're going from a student who is recording child play behavior to now designing a treatment or behavioral modification program for that child. So this, I wanted to just provide this so you can kind of see how the 4 stages connect and work interrelated, if you will, to one another. So thank you so much for listening, and please take care.